Dear students, we are going to answer question number 1 of the next exercise from the chapter 3, that is exercise 3D. Question number 1. Solve the following system of equations using cross multiplication method. Now, in this question number 1, we are going to apply the cross multiplication method to answer this question number 1 from part 1 to part 4. And here I am going to answer part 2. Now, in this part 2, what are the two equations? The two equations here is 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Now this equation is not in the standard form, so to make in the standard form we have to make the right hand side 0. So 2x plus 3y is equal to transfer 12 to the left side, become minus 12, and is equal to 0. So I'll name this as equation 1. Now from the equation minus 7x plus 9y plus 3 equal to 0, this is already a linear equation in the standard form, so I will name this as equation 2. Now from here we know that we will put a1 and a2. a1, that is coefficient of x in the first equation, which is 2, and a2 coefficient of x in the second equation, that is minus 7, and b1 is the coefficient of y in the first equation, which is 3, and b2, which is the coefficient of y in the second equation, which is 9, and c1 is the constant term from the first equation, which is minus 12, and c2 constant term of the second equation, which is 3. Now we are going to apply the cross multiplication method. So to use cross multiplication method, we have to, so first we are going to write by cross multiplication method. Now cross multiplication method, the formula is x upon b1 upon b2 upon c1 upon c2, which is equal to y upon a1 upon a2, which is equal to 1 upon b1 upon b2. So we have to cross multiply. So we are going to apply this formula to find out the value of x and y from the two equation. Now we only have to substitute, so this implies that the value of x, now from the above equation, b1 b2 is 3 and 9, and c1 c2 is minus 12 and 3. Now for the value of y, a1 a2 is 2 and minus 7, and 1 upon b1 b2 again is 3 and 9. So we have to cross multiply 3 and then minus 12 and 9, and then here minus 12 multiply with minus 7, here 2 multiply with 3, and here 2 multiply with 9, and 3 multiply with 7. Now after this, now we are going to get x upon, now 3 multiply with 3 minus 12 multiply with 9, and then for value of y, minus 12 multiply with minus 7 minus 2 multiply with 3, and then 1 upon 2 multiply with 9 minus 3 multiply with minus 7. So from here we have 9 plus 12 multiply with 9 will get 108. So this way we are going to get y upon and 12 multiply with 7. So this is 14. So minus 12 multiply minus 7 minus minus plus, so 84 minus 6, and then 1 upon 8 into 9 is 18 minus 3 multiply this minus minus plus 3 multiply 7, 21. So from here we are going to get now 117, which is equal to y upon, now 84 minus 6 will be 78, which is equal to 1 upon 39. So first we have to use the ratio. Okay, now we are going to write now we are going to use first this ratio and this ratio. So that means x upon 117 is equal to 1 upon 39. So we are going to get, so x, this implies that x is equal to, okay, now we are going to use this is equal to 117 multiplied to the rest of 17 upon 39, which is equal to 117 if you divide by 39, then 117. So that means the value of x is 3. Now after this we are going to make use of this ratio and this ratio. So that means also from above, then y upon 78, which is equal to 1 upon 39. So this implies that the value of y is 78 upon 39, which is equal to, now 78 if you divide by 39, then multiply by 2, then it will be 78. So the value of y is 2. So hence we get all the both values. So x is 3 and the value of y is